this video we're going to be removing this rear right lower door panel trim, basically this plastic piece. So on the bottom of it, or inside, you can have a T20 Torx screw. Size is T20. Alright, so we're going to start off towards the bottom of it, or the back of the car. And this whole panel is held on by clips. They're really fragile plastic clips. So if you do remove it, you'll most likely have to replace the clips in order to put this piece back on. Наклеили клипсы?
На клипсах.
So this is it. So you would have upper and lower rolls of clips. So there's going to be a roll here and the upper part. And there's where the T20 Torx screws on the other side. So don't forget the screw before you start popping the clips out, or you will break it off. Majority of the clips survived. On the other door, they all broke.